Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from group 3. We will present our material with the title Intellectual Property Rights. For the first material by myself, definition of intellectual property rights. The rights to intellectual property, or EPR, has been defined by various experts in the fields of law and economics. According to Ismail Saleh, HAKI is the recognition and appreciation of a person or legal entity for the discovery or creation of their intellectual work by giving them special rights, both social and economic. Bambang Kesowo also defined HAKI as the right to property that arises or is born because of human intellectuality ability. Next, description of intellectual property. Intellectual property is an asset that legally give rise to right and obligation for its owner. According to A. Zen Umar Purba, intellectual property is the result of thinking and or someone who produces a product or process that has utility for humans. The right to economically enjoy the results of intellectual creativity is the core of the understanding of rights. These intellectual works in the fields of science, art, literature, or technology are born with the sacrifice of energy, time, and event cost. The existence of the sacrifice makes the resulting work have a significant economic value. Next, categories and types of HAKI. HAKI is divided into two main categories, copyright and industrial property rights. Copyright is an exclusive right for creator or recipients of the rights to announce or reproduce their creation or give permission for it without prejudice to restriction under applicable laws and regulation. Meanwhile, industrial property rights include patents, trademarks, industrial design, integrated circuit layout design, trade secrets, and plant variety. These categories show that HAKI not only protects intellectual works in the form of creation, but also includes various forms of significant industrial wealth. The definition of HAKI also involves the importance of legal protection for intellectual works. According to Nurul Baridah, HAKI is part of human rights that must be protected, respect, and fulfilled by the government. HAKI protection not only gives awards to creators, but also encourages the spirit of work and innovation. Thus, the community will be motivated to produce unique and valuable works, so that competition increase and market share expand. Thank you. Next, I will present with Yahya.
Okay, my name is Harun Yahya. Next is basic principle of intellectual property rights. Number 1, principle of economics. Economic impact. The economic principle emphasizes the importance of IPR protection in encouraging innovation investment, and economic development. IPR protection provide incentive for creators and right owners to continue creating new works and to profit from their intellectual property rights. Thus, innovation and investment in technology, science, and industry can be increased, which in turn boosts economic growth. So, the Madrid Convention on Intellectual Trademarks and the Paris Transitional Protocol are the international agreements that reinforce the economic principle of IPR protection. They set minimum standards to protection for trademarks and patents among member countries. Number 2, principle of justice. Legal protection. The principle of fairness emphasize legal protection for the owner of a product of intellectual ability. This means that the owner of intellectual property rights has the power to exercise intellectual property rights over his or her own rights has while taking into account the right of consumer and the general public. The principle of fairness also ensures the one right cannot be invalid or treated unfairly. Such, the copyright law or UUP in many countries, such as the UUP in Indonesia, established the principle of fairness in copyright protection. For example, Indonesia's UUP guarantees the copyright will be protected and respect and provide legal guarantees for creators to control how their works and used. Number 3, cultural principles. Cultural protection. The cultural principle emphasizes the importance of IPR protection in protecting and promotion culture, diversity, and knowledge. IPR protection must take into account the interests of society and ensure the intellectual property rights do not jeopardize of harm the cultural rights of society. Source: the UNESCO Convention on the Protection of Non-Material Cultures, 2003, emphasizes the importance of protection non-material cultures, such as tradition, knowledge, and social practice, although to not directly relate to IPR. This convention also shows that the protection of culture is an important aspect of the international legal system. Next, number 4, social principles. Balance of interest. The social principles regulates human interests as citizens. The rights recognized by law over a work are a unity that given protection based on a balance between the interest to individual and society. The protection of intellectual property rights must consider the effect on the welfare of society, the environment, and the public interest as a whole. Short, consumer protection laws in many countries, such as Indonesia Consumer Protection Law, establish social principles in the protection of consumer rights. For example, these laws ensures the products sold must be safe and not harm consumers, and give consumers the right to know clear information about the product they buy. Okay, that's all for me. Next, we'll present tense with Hafifah.
Okay, my name is Afifa. I will presentation about classification of intellectual property rights, or IPR. First is copyright or hak cipta. The definition of copyright is a legal right that protects original works of authorship in fields such as literature, art, and science. For example, includes books, music, films, software, paintings, and sculptures. The duration of copyrights is for 50 years after the creator deeds, with some expectation for related rights. The importance is protects the creator's moral and economic rights, preventing unauthorized production or modification. Legal source is Undang-Undang number 28/2014 tentang hak cipta. International agreement burns convention for the protection of literature and artistic work. The second is trademarks and patents. Trademark is a sign, symbol, or design used to identify and differentiate goods or services or price from others, and can be renewed indefinitely as long as it remains in use. The importance helps build brand identity and protects against counterfeiting. Legal source is Undang-Undang number 20 260 tentang merek, international agreement, Paris Convention for the protection of industrial property. Patent is protects new inventions, process, and products that provide a technical solution to a problem. For example, new machinery, chemical compositions, or software algorithms. The duration of patents is 20 years from the filing date. Importance grants exclusive rights to exploit an invention commercially. The source is Undang-Undang Nomor 13 Tahun 2016 about patent. Next, the third is industrial design and trade secrets. Industrial design is to protect the ornamental or artistic aspect of an article. Design protection applies to the appearance of a product. For example, product shapes, packaging, patterns, or surface decoration. Duration of industrial design is 10 years and can be renewed. Importance ensure exclusive rights over the visual appeal of products, which play a crucial role in consumer choice. The legal source is Undang-Undang Number 31 Tahun 2000 about design industry. International agreement, Hague Agreement concerning the international registration of industry design. Trade secrets is protect confidential business information that provides a competitive edge, such as formulas, process, and methods. For example, receipts, customers lists, and manufacturing techniques. The duration of trade secret as long as the information remains confidential. Importance protects sensitive information that might not be eligible for patent protection but holds commercial value. The legal source of trade secret is Undang-Undang Nomor 30 Tahun 2000 about rahasia dagang. International agreement is TRIPS agreement or trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights. The last one is communal IP and integrated circuits. Communal intellectual property to protect traditional knowledge and cultural expression that are passed down within indigenous of local communities. For example, traditional crafts, folklore, medicinal knowledge, and cultural performance. Importance safeguards cultural heritage from misappropriation or exploitation by others. Legal source Peraturan Pemerintah Nomor 51 Tahun 2007 about indikasi geografis. International Agreement UNESCO Convention for the Safeguarding of Intangible Cultural Heritage. The last one is integrated circuit layouts. To protect the three-dimensional agreement of electronic components on semiconductor chip. For example, microprocessor design used in computers, phones, and other digital devices. The duration is 10 years from registration. Important, ensure achieve rights over the manufacturing and use of the layout design, preventing unauthorized production. Legal source is Undang-Undang Nomor 32 2000 about desain tata letak sirkuit terpadu. International Agreement, Washington Treaty on Intellectual Property in respects of integrated circuits. Okay, the classification of intellectual property right. The next will be presented by Nur Ainil Aziza.
Okay. Next is the legal basis of intellectual property rights. First, Law Number 7 of 1994 on the ratification of the agreement establishing the World Trade Organization, or WTO. The function is to ratify the agreement establishing the World Trade Organization, or WTO, which covers access to international markets and protection of intellectual property rights. Context, this agreement strengthens IPR protection at the international level and ensures that WTO member countries must meet minimum standard in IPR protection. Second, Law Number 10/1995 on customs. Function regulates the customs and import system in Indonesia, including aspects related to the importation of goods involving IPR. Context, this law assists in the regulation and supervision of imports of goods involving copyrights, patents, trademarks, and others. Number 3, Law Number 1997 on copyright. Function regulates copyright, which is the exclusive right to create, alter, and position copyrighted works. Context, this law ensures that copyright works such as books, songs, movies, etc. can be protected and legally traded. Fourth, Law Number 30 of 1997 on patent rights. Function regulates patent rights, which are exclusive rights to create, produce, and sell goods that involve technical innovation. Context, this law allows its investors to obtain legal protection for their innovations and prevent others from making or selling the same goods without authorization. 5. Law Number 14, year 1997 on trademarks. Function regulate trademark, which are symbols or names used to distinguish similar goods. Context, This law enables a trademark owner to protect his or her trademark, identify and prevent others from using the same trademark without authorization. 6. Presidential Decree of the Republic of Indonesia, number 50 of 1997, the ratification of the Paris Convention for the protection of industrial property. Function, to ratify the Paris Convention, which contains minimum standards, industrial protection. Context, this convention ensures that member states must provide equal protection for industrial rights such as patents, industrial design, and trademarks. 7. Presidential Decree number 70 of 1997 of the ratification of the Trademark Law Treaty, or TLT. The function is to ratify the Trademark Law Treaty, which aims to extend trademarks protection at the international level. Context, this treaty allows members countries to recognize and repeat trademarks rights among them. 8. Presidential Decree number 18 of 1997 on the ratification of the Berne Convention for the protection of literary and artistic works. Function, to ratify the Berne Convention, which contains minimum standards for the protection of copyrighted works. The context is the convention ensures that copyright works such as books, songs, and movies can be protected and legally traded among member countries. 9. Law number 30 2000 on trade secrets. The function is regulate trade secrets, which are sensitive and valuable information used in business. Context, this law allows owners of trade secrets to protect such as information from unauthorized dissemination and infringement. Thus, the legal basis of IPR in Indonesia is vast and complex, covering various aspects of intellectual protection from copyright works to trade secrets. Proper implementation of these laws is crucial to maintaining fairness and security in Indonesia's economy and culture. Maybe that's all from me. I give it back to Elsa.
Okay, thank you, Ainil. That's all for our presentation. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Udah ya?
Dah.
Oke.
Bentar, Ainil masih ngerekam kayaknya.
Wait.